Got a contacts file from Windows Address Book? This is a contact data file used by Windows contacts and various email applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and import these Windows contacts files. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens contacts files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. Contacts. Files are contact data files used by Windows contacts and similar address book applications. They contain personal contact information, including names, email addresses, phone numbers, physical addresses, notes, and other contact metadata, enabling organized contact management for email correspondence and personal communication workflows. Windows contacts files typically use XML format, with vCard-like structure storing contact records following Windows contacts specifications. The format includes fields for personal information communication channels and custom metadata supporting comprehensive contact management compatible with various email and address book applications. Guaranteed access to contacts files is typically achieved using Windows contacts from Microsoft. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows offers only bare-bones previews, so proper reading must be done with email software. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your contacts file and select Open With. Test Windows contacts if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If your contacts file will not open, do not worry. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, opening in Windows contacts. Double-click contacts files on Windows systems to open them in Windows Contacts application. The application displays contact information with fields for editing additional details and organization. Add contacts to address book groups for distribution lists and organized communication management workflows. Next, importing to email clients. Import contacts files to email clients like Outlook, Thunderbird, or Gmail through their contact import functions. Convert to vCard or CSV format if needed using Windows Contacts export features. Modern email clients support various import formats enabling contact migration across email platforms and applications. Finally, editing as XML. Open contacts files in text editors like Notepad++ or VS Code to view XML structure. The text format enables direct editing of contact fields and metadata. Save changes carefully, maintaining valid XML structure to preserve contact data integrity for proper application loading and use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.